Hey guys, welcome to the Sailors Lounge. I am Gigi the Sailor Man. Yeah, and this is the Sailors Lounge. There's ever one time I hate being on board the ship. It has to be during the end of the year. I'm talking about October, November, December, extending up to January. Because this period, it's actually the winter period. October, we're getting into the winter. November, December, January, winter proper. And during this period, the sea is very rough, always very rough, but I do not have a choice. It's even worse because I am on the Indian Ocean. If there's something I hate about the Indian Ocean, it is how erratic it can be, the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. I hate being on them, either of them during this period. Visibility is very poor. We can't even see up to 1 mile away. From what we gather, this is due to a typhoon that is close by. I really hope we don't get into it. From the weather report we got, most likely we'll be heading right into the eye of the typhoon, but I really hope that doesn't happen. Just praying for the typhoon to travel faster than us. We had to completely alter our course. You see, just imagine we are going on a straight line and the typhoon is on our path, so all we had to do is alter this way. So it was a complete alter of course. It's been quite scary. It has been days of sleepless nights. You know, at this point you try to be scared, but there you can just not be scared. Somehow you just have to encourage yourself, man up like the seamen we are, right? So I want you guys to leave a comment, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Okay, this looks like a scene from the Pirates of Caribbean, you know, Black Pearl, when some pirates are coming out, all them dead pirates and all that stuff. But I am enjoying the whole experience. To be honest, I've really not seen the Indian Ocean in this state before. This is like the first time. Nonetheless, I am enjoying every moment, and I hope that we scale through. You know, I hope that we do not run into the typhoon, because I don't want to experience that. It's not a very good experience. This is why I really do not like to be at sea during the end of the year. The weather is usually very bad because we have high rushing winds, and this is due to temperature gradient. That is difference in air pressure. The colder air is much more heavier than the warmer air, so it displaces the colder air, creating an area of high pressure, while the warmer air or the lighter air, you know, create an area of low pressure. Now this fast moving wind causes a friction with surface water, which eventually causes wave, you know. So it's been like this since like 3 days. I think we're also experiencing like force 8 wind at the moment, because we have from 0 to 12, force 0 to 12. So 0 is like the least. It means that the sea is very calm, crystal clear, looks like a glass. And then we have force 12, which I do not want to experience. At that point, the wind should be traveling at about 64 knots. That is usually a hurricane wind, and it causes so much damage. Sometimes I just crave for something like this. It's weird, right? But then I love it. Sea is not stable at all. The temperature is dropping rapidly, but then we're built for this. This is why we're seamen. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, leave a comment. I'd like to hear what you think about this, you know, and pray for me, pray for us.